So the plan for the trip was, we knew it was going to be around about 3,800 to 4,000 k, of which about half would be on dirt, and we'd planned out doing somewhere between 3 to 500 k a day. But having got the plan, we really put it aside and thought, well, the idea is once we go, is we know basically when we've got to go back, and we'll kind of make it up as we go along. So we've really been pretty flexible. If we liked the place and we wanted to stop, we stopped. If we heard that the Cooper, you could fish in the Cooper's Creek and have a swim, and we thought we'd go there. So it's actually worked out quite well in terms of how the whole thing came together and the planning for the trip. So there's a lot of last minute activity going on, putting stickers on the cars and also the bikes to recognise the support that we've got from the various sponsors, and of course packing both the car and the trailer with the various spares of extra fuel and petrol and food and water and so on. So as you'd expect before a trip, there was an awful lot of last minute activity going on, but eventually we got our act together and got ourselves down to DY Beach, where there was a good crowd there to see us off, and so after a few farewells, a couple of snaps, we made our way off to Lithgow, being our first stop.
One hour.
And then the rain started.
How's it inside the car? Warm enough?
Beautifully inside the car.
Wipers working okay?
Wipers are going great.
Yeah.
Wonderful for this rain.
On your second DVD and
Yeah.
CD and
Yeah.
yeah. Good.
Yep.
Making the most. Doing it tough. It's wet.
It is wet.
That's better. What was that about? 200k wet?
Yes.
Woo.
Are we dry?
I've got a sore ass.
What plan are you on, Greg?
What plan?
Yeah, for your phone.
Make lots of calls to the wife. That plan. Very popular with wives.
Congratulations.
Wife. Yes, wife. Remember that?
Right, we are over in the what? Oh, you're lovely. Come on,
What are you doing? Hang on.
60,000 Ks.
How many?
60,000.
On your phone.
So I'll send that to the blokes at work. It's just a thing we do.
Yeah, there's a couple of photographs there I thought about stopping for.
Yeah. That were two wild bulls with those.
Yeah, that's what I pointed out, the two pigs
Yeah.
chasing the horses up.
Yeah.
Did you see that? True?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Do you enjoy the straight stretches?
Yeah, they're right.
Yeah?
Just lie down and let it happen. Yes, Greg.
That flag over there.
Yes. What is it?
What is it?
Well, it's fairly un-Australian question, but that is actually inland rivers for all the rivers in Australia, and they all fly that flag on the front of their barks. So, you know, there was a meeting of all the states about 7 or 8 years ago, and they came together and designed that. So every inland boat has got to fly that off the back. Yeah,
the front.
And the front, yeah, both ends. No, I haven't got a clue what that flag was about until you told me, Greg.
Yes. It's all about you.
But it's all about Ross. Remember that? It's all about Ross.
Muffler just to even it out.
I've got locks on their back wheels.
I didn't tighten. I was going to tighten it up when I was at DY because it's just hard to get to. Can you get to your toolkit? Get me a 10mm open-ended spanner. 10. Any more tools? 9 or an 8. But what I really need is a stubby Phillips head screwdriver. Please.
The Honda's got a really good toolkit on it.
Yeah.
Do you want to borrow it?
Can you get me a lizard? I need a lizard running through in front of frame here.
Oh, look out for the lizard.